Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store. If you have not logged into Play Store from any of the account, then you will land on a page where you will be asked to create an account. But if you already have one account logged in but want to create another, then tap on your profile icon and then tap on this drop down arrow and then tap on add another account and then tap on create account. Type your first name and your surname. Remember that putting your surname is optional and then tap on next. Here put your birthday, month and year and on the next box choose your gender. After you are done, tap on next and here you have to type your Gmail address. You can include your name, surname or number. When you are done, tap on next and here you can create your password. Make sure that password has a mix of alphabets and letters and symbols. Having those combinations will ensure that your password is strong. When you are done, tap on next. Here you can review your email address. Tap on next. And here you can see privacy agreements. Scroll down and tap on I agree. And that's it. You have now created an account on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.